In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account. Whether you're setting up a new website or looking to improve your existing site's performance and security, setting up a Cloudflare account is a step in the right direction. It's all about safeguarding your digital presence while ensuring faster load times for your visitors. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Cloudflare website. Open up your favorite browser and type in view.cloudflare.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface. This layout is designed to make navigation easy for both beginners and seasoned tech enthusiasts alike. Next, you'll need to find the Start for Free button, which should be prominently displayed on the home page. Cloudflare offers a free plan that includes many of its core features, allowing you to get started without any initial cost. Click on this button, and you'll be on your way to getting your account up and running. After that, you'll be directed to a sign-up page where you can choose your preferred method of creating an account. Cloudflare provides a range of sign-up options to cater to different users' preferences. You have the option to continue with your Google, Apple, or GitHub account. This method is quick and convenient if you want to integrate your Cloudflare account with the rest of your online ecosystem. Alternatively, if you prefer to set up an account independently, you can simply enter your email address and create a new password. Make sure to use a strong password to enhance your account security. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. It's a crucial step in defending your account against unauthorized access. Once you've decided on your sign-up method and inputted the necessary information, it's time to click on the Sign Up button. This action will kickstart the process, and you'll be moments away from accessing Cloudflare's suite of powerful tools and features designed to protect and speed up your site. It's as simple as that. With a few clicks, you're well on your way to optimizing your website's performance with Cloudflare. Once your account is created, make sure you explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various services and configurations available, such as SSL settings, caching rules, and threat management options. These tools will empower you to tailor Cloudflare's offerings to best suit your unique needs, ensuring a smooth and secure online experience for your audience. Happy optimizing!